Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl MaryBee of HairbyMaryBee, and on today's episode, I'll be showing you how to differentiate between human hair, synthetic hair, and blended hairs. So if it's something you love to see, please stick to this video till the end. Remember to like, comment, and share. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to carry out the burning hair test to ascertain if a hair is synthetic, human hair, or blended hair. So we'll be working with some of the things you can see in this video. We'll be working using a candle to carry out this test, and then we have some samples of hairs that we have gotten from either a hair bundle or a wig. So you just watch and see how to ascertain if a hair is synthetic, human hair, or blended hair. So I'm just trying to light my candle here, and then we'll be going in with the first hair sample. You can see the blonde hair. We'll just burn it. Watch carefully. So you saw how fast this hair burnt. It burnt really fast, and the flame went off easily. So if you press against the burnt part of the hair, you can see that it turned into ashes. When a hair that burns and turns into ashes this way, it is identified as human hair. Human hair burns fast, smells like goat, and it turns into ashes after burning. So you can see that from this video, the hair after being burnt turned into ash. You can see how it looks. We'll be going in with the next hair sample and watch and see. You can see that this one keeps burning. I had to try to put off the flame from the hair, allow it for a bit because it might still be hot, and then you can now go in to check. So you see, when I press against it, look at it, it's even sticking to my hand. And you see that it's stuck to my hand. When you press against this kind of hair, you see that it turns into a ball. Actually turns into a ball. It doesn't turn to ashes like the first hair that we tried out. So when the hair turns into a ball instead of ashes, it is identified as synthetic hair. It means this hair is not human hair. It's not even blended hair. It is purely synthetic. Unlike the human hair that burnt and turned into ash, this one turned into a ball. You can see the surface of the burnt hair. So we'll be going in with the third hair sample. And I want you to watch and see. Notice how this one burns. It still took a while. I had to try to turn it off and then allowed it to cool for a bit before going in with my finger. Can you see? This part of the hair is turning into ash. That means it's human hair. But you see that this second part now turned into a ball instead of an ash. That shows that, oh, this hair was mixed or blended with both human hair and synthetic hair. That's why you're having the two outcomes of some part of the hair turning into ash after being burnt, while some turn into a ball. So you can see that this hair now is a blended hair. It is blended. It is a mixture of both synthetic and human hair. So that's how you identify hairs when customers send hair to you. Some vendors don't even treat synthetic or blended hair at all. If they test your hair and it's synthetic, they will just inform you that this hair is synthetic and they won't be treating it. But if you're in business and you want to make more profit, you can still treat the hairs. In subsequent classes, when I show you how to treat and revamp hairs, you see that even treating synthetic hairs can also revive the hair and make it look better. So synthetic hairs always turn into a ball. You can even see that. Okay, so I'm going in with the human hair again. You see, just watch the flame, the color of the smoke that comes out while burning the hair. You can see how clear it is. It is very clear. See, very clear flame. That's another way to identify human hair. the flame is usually clear, not dark, not black or dark. It's just clear hair. But if you go in with the synthetic hair, just watch and see what comes out, or the smoke that comes out from the synthetic hair. Watch, you see how black the smoke is. Exactly, the smoke is really black and it burns really fast. You see that it has even stuck to the table, so it burns like rubber. Synthetic hair burns like rubber, so that's how you identify it. So this one now, you will have a mixture of both dark smoke and clear smoke, because it is a mixture of both human hair and blended hair. So this is basically just how you test hairs. Even when you want to carry out coloring, you know, you need to do a sample test to ensure that, oh, this hair can actually take color. It's even human hair to start with before we even try to see if it can be bleached or colored. So that's just basically how you check hairs.